Okay.
Come on, puppy. You smell familiar, huh?
There's Donner and Cupid.
Is that your brother? Is that your brother? You want to let him on?
Yeah, you want to let them play?
Is that your brother?
What's the other dog too?
Wow, he is so much bigger.
He's so nice to
I
meet
weighed
you.
him today. It was 71.
Yeah, he's 55.
I was hoping he would only be 55.
He's 55. Cash, all right, babe, why don't you let him up? He's fine. I just want him to interact with him. That's why we kept him on. Go say hi. Go say
Hi.
hi. So, oh my God. Is your dog a little crazy?
No,
Oh.
not at all.
He has a lot of energy.
Well, yeah, he has a lot of energy, but he's not, like, when I hear crazy, I think poorly behaved,
No. He just has
chews
a lot-
up the furniture.
No. He's really well behaved, but they just have a lot of, he has a lot of anxiety. A lot of anxiety. He's actually in medicine.
Hey, at least he's getting what he needs.
He's a lot of anxiety. Is that your brother? What's that, bro? Is that your brother?
Pretty. And there's Cash.
He's so much bigger.
That one's
Prince is the
Cash.
big one.
And
So
this
we
one
did
is
a
Prince.
DNA test.
Oh,
I
yeah?
know what they are.
What are they?
They are
Can
obviously.
I get us in the video, too?
Oh my God! Yeah, I feel like okay.
I got Donner. She got Cupid.
Oh my God!
Was it
Cupid.
Cupid?
Now it's Cash.
Cash and Prince.
Oh.
So what are
So
they?
they are boxer, obviously. What's it called? Red bone coonhound
Red-boned coonhounds.
and pitbull.
Oh, they are part
Yeah.
pit. They have the. He has the blockhead. Prince has the jaw
Yeah.
and the blockhead.
Yeah, no.
There's
Cash,
Cash.
looks like a hound. I think he looks more like a hound than. But yeah, no. They're coonhound boxer pitbull.
Red-boned
Red bone
coonhounds.
which you can tell from Prince's coloring.
The coloring.
Prince is like very.
The brindling I thought was boxer.
Yeah, they are, but like if you notice they have like a red tinge to their brindle. Like here, I'll show you. Are they good?
Yeah, they're so good.
That video doesn't look good.
I won't. I'll just put it on my private YouTube and then I'll send you the link. The one that my kids' videos are on that like